Hello everyone, it's Miss Daisy. Welcome to my kitchen. This week is strawberry week, so we're going to be making 3 recipes that include strawberries. So our first one that we made was homemade strawberry lemonade, and today we're going to be making the second recipe, which is peanut butter, strawberry, and banana quesadillas. The ingredients you're going to be needing are creamy peanut butter. You're going to need, it doesn't really matter, it just depends on your how thick you want it, but anyways, so this creamy peanut butter you can actually get for free at a local food pantry. You're going to need 3 to 4 strawberries, sliced strawberries, and you're going to need 1 medium banana, sliced as well. Optional ingredient is ground cinnamon and whole wheat tortillas. So what you're going to be needing is a skillet and also a cooking spray, and I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. You're going to be needing a spatula to flip your quesadilla, and I'm going to be using a butter knife to use for spreading the creamy peanut butter, and then just a plate to put your quesadilla once you're done. So anyways, before we get started, we're going to need to wash your hands for 20 seconds, and if you have long hair like I do, make sure to tie it back. Let's go wash your hands. Okay, my hands are all cleaned. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is spray the pan that I'm going to be using. Let's bring this over. So it says to heat your skillet or pan to medium high. I'm actually going to leave it at medium heat. Right in the center. I'm going to spray this with my cooking spray. So while that's heating up, let's go back here. I'm going to take out one of the tortillas, and I'm going to spread a thin amount of creamy peanut butter, but if you like it more, if you would prefer more, you can. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put even amounts of strawberry and banana. Something like this. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of ground cinnamon on top. Sprinkle it. So it should look something like this. I'm going to add another tortilla on top. Pressing it down so it can stick to the other tortilla. Like that. Okay, now let's go back to our pan to see if it's warmed up. Looks like it is, so I'm gonna carefully place my tortilla, or sorry, quesadilla on top. Using my spatula, I can press it even further down to flatten it out, but you don't have to. So the recipe says to have each side golden brown. That's when you know when it's done. But to cook it about 2 minutes on each side. And then once it's cooked, we're going to place it back on our plate, and then we're going to either cut our quesadilla in half or in quarters. It serves about 2 to 4 people, it depends, right? So if you cut it in half, it's for 2 people, and if you cut it in quarters, which is 4, it serves 4 people. So in total, this actually takes 10 minutes. So this is a quick snack if you want, even like a breakfast if you're like on the go. Okay, 4 minutes have passed. I'm gonna remove my quesadilla. I still have leftovers from the 1 medium banana and 3 to 4 strawberries. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another quesadilla and then we'll cut that. So I'm gonna repeat all the steps and then we'll cut it. Okay, so 4 minutes have passed. I'm gonna remove my second quesadilla. Turn off the heat. So I was able to make 2 quesadillas. I'm going to cut them. I love how crunchy it is. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. And we are finished. Our peanut butter, strawberry, and banana quesadillas. I hope you enjoy this quick snack. And until next time, we're actually going to be making another strawberry recipe, which is, let me look at my notes, a 5-minute healthy strawberry frozen yogurt. So before I say goodbye, remember that you can get free creamy peanut butter at a local food pantry, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's really delicious. Until next time on our strawberry frozen yogurt, I'll see you then. Bye.